Built for high-tempo operations and sustained fire, the XH-556 delivers top-tier suppression, advanced back pressure reduction, and exceptional durability, all in a lightweight, full-size format. Featuring hybrid construction, the XH-556 combines fully 3D printed titanium with a 7/18 Inconel blast baffle and a stainless steel low-flash end cap. This advanced blend of materials provides extreme heat resistance and strength while shedding unnecessary weight, making it significantly lighter than traditional Inconel suppressors without sacrificing performance. At just over 7 inches in length, the XH-556 offers superior sound and flash suppression across 556 and 223 platforms, delivering consistent performance in professional and high-demand settings. While compact suppressors prioritize maneuverability, the XH-556 delivers lightweight suppression performance without sacrificing control. The proprietary Reduced Backpressure System baffle technology dramatically reduces gas blowback for a cleaner, cooler shooting experience. The system keeps any increase in bolt speed below 2%, preserving long-term reliability and reducing wear on internal components, even during full auto operation. The stainless steel low-flash end cap cuts visible signature at the muzzle, preserving optical clarity and situational awareness in low-light conditions. A rugged Type 2 hard anodized finish adds surface durability and further reduces flash under high round counts. The XH-556 mounts using the proven Rotex SF hub or any 1.375 by 24 TPI hub compatible system, offering flexible integration across rifle platforms. Rated for full auto fire, compatible with all barrel lengths, and proven through SOCOM stress testing beyond 22,000 rounds, the XH-556 is engineered to endure the harshest operational environments. From tactical deployments and law enforcement roles to rigorous testing and precision shooting, the XH-556 sets the standard for full-size suppressor performance.